Hello Ramailo people! Welcome to the fourth part of our Greece series. In the last series, we finished eating dinner, so keep on watching to find out what else we get up to now.
We spent the rest of the evening overlooking the amber sunset on the beach. We came across a shop filled with souvenirs. As we walked along the sea on the stone roads, the night was blurred to silence by the street lamps.
The next morning, we headed to an iconic beach, the reason why we traveled all the way from Santorini.
Yes! You can do it! I can do it! There's more! Oh my gosh! Come on, you can do it! Right foot in, that's the right side. Awesome!
Riding an ATV on steep hills with continuous views kept me wanting to see more.
Huh? No. Kita 걸고?
After a bumpy ride, we arrived to our destination. We had to park our ATV and walk the rest of the way down to reach the waters.
Just wait till you see the drone footages of this place. In 3, 2, 1, go! On the left hand side, yo. Oh.
If you have not guessed yet, we are in Saraniko beach. Its chalky white surfaces were formed by lava being frozen and through time carved by erosion of wind and waves.
On the detail. What they been on the top and just on something.
Ooh, someone jumped from that high! Woo! Okay, quick. 3, 2, 1.
I saw others jumping off the cliffs, so I knew I had to go for it.
You can do it!
It took me half an hour, you're fine.
Wow! Woo! Well done! Way. See you on the other side. Where is he? Rack! You can do it! Oh, here you are.
The water's so salty.
I mean, it's the ocean. You can do it!
Let's go!
Woo! Well done!
Swimming in the emerald-colored waters was my favorite thing to do, as the waters were very warm and calm.
I don't want to scare them though. Don't go too close.
We were surprised to see many groups of little fishes swimming around us as they nibbled on our feet.
We're gonna run, are we?
Oh, okay. Bisa rin na.
Okay, we're gonna run. So what,
Itu
like
tahun
this?
ni. Itu tahun ni.
Do you think-
Dekat lah 3 to 1.
The heat was just right, but the moonscape made it look otherwise.
It felt like we had landed on the surface of the moon, but on a tropical paradise all at once.
Can with hair.
Hand.
Can with hair 32 years lah.
Wow.
Best wish.
We had met this nice Asian couple on the ferry. It was good to see them again. I hope they get to spend many more happy years together.
It's a longer.
Yeah, I can see.
I have to go. Kau malah work out kalau.
Why is Lex don't want to leave?
We had to leave the cat.
It's like,
Later on, the smell of fried onions led us to a food van.
oh, right, thank you. Buka matam na, malika, mala the buka batam.
Soon enough, it was home time. We headed back to our accommodation and chilled out on the patio for the rest of the day.
The chirping of the birds was a wild experience to hear. The only birds we hear in the UK are seagulls fighting for a sausage roll.
Rakesh was ready to go. On the other hand, I was busy changing my sandals to sports mode.
You just failed the skipping. The most basic. Okay, just went on a walk then. No, did you do it properly? Do it till the end. Okay.
Well, we got there in the end.
Time for mandatory photos with colorful flowers as the background.
It's not picking one.
It's recording. Hey.
Cluster of birds.
We needed to travel a bit further away and into the main area, so we got on our ATV and rode amongst the brightly lit roads during nighttime.
We found tavern-style restaurants in Greece to be elite. They usually have home-style cooked foods available. We ended up choosing this restaurant.
I'm not sure how you.
Come on, I think people are waiting.
Join us on our next Greece series and find out what we have for dinner.